This is the strangest thing I've ever heard. My speakers sound like a car that won't start. It started as soon as I turned on the computer. And right now I'm not playing anything on my speakers. Therefore, I don't know why they're doing this. I'm downloading a book. And I really don't know what's going on. Never heard that before. Let me set this down and see what I can do. I'll get it. Let's see. Turn on the volume. Yep, it's definitely a speaker issue. Kind of weird. That's the noise it's making. I'm not sure why they would do that. Weird. Dusty back here. See if that changes this. No, okay, so it does have something to do with the computer, but I really have no idea what. This is very weird. Okay, let's turn it back on. Close it again. That was it. Stopped it.